YouTube, it's your guy TopDownKickz back with another banger for you guys. In today's video, I got a pair of retro Air Jordan 10 called the Orlandos. They are white, black, and blue. I just got these bad boys through one of my friends, man, and he was like, can you bring these back to life? And I was like, for sure, man, I can bring these bad boys back. But as you can see in this video, man, they are completely beat. They are separated on the front toe area. I did partially of the left shoe, and I'm just showing you guys the before and after comparisons. It took me about 3 days to do this. I had to put like 1 or 2 coats, wait about an hour, come back, put another coat, wait an hour. I had to do this outside to speed up the drying process because I didn't want to put a heat gun on it. It will separate even though it's already separating, if that makes sense. I had a little trouble on the right shoe. You can still see a little bit of holes and a little bit of separation on the front right there, but I would have to completely remove the bottom of the soles, and that's what I didn't want to do. I'm just experimenting, but I got this waterproof, and I found it on the side of the street. It's for boots, but man, 3 days, that's all it took. Hour waiting time on the cure time. I think I did a great job. I took my time slowly, and like I said, these was beat to death. They had a lot of grass stains. They were scuffed up, separating. I washed them from inside out, and hey, this is the results. Can't really complain. I did this for the video just to show you guys. I did this for you guys. So if you made it this far, and if you watch this video, drop that like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.